Well, hey there, people. Well, I was sent this electric pet grinder to do a review on. So, let's check out what's in this box. Let's have a peek-sies. Hey, Cash? He's long overdue for a good clipping. So, we'll get that done. But first, let's check out what's in this box. Well, there's a grinder right there. That's a professional grade grinder. Anyway, it comes with a USB card that's Type-C. Comes with a spare grinding wheel. I think it might be a little coarser than the one that's in there. I'll have to check it out. And it comes with this professional clipper, so you won't hurt your puppy. And of course, a little cleaning brush. Right on. Let's have a closer look at this grinder. Dog's having a drink. Turn it on, you hold the paw down. It's got 3 speeds. There's low, medium, and high. Hold it down and shut it off. So it's got this guidance shield thing. You can either do it that way, or if you're professional enough, you can just willy-nilly it. And this guy will be next. Otis. Hey, buddy. Your mom wants to do yours, though. And it's got a light, so you can see what you're doing. Yeah, you don't want to hurt your babies. Very cool. Ready, Cash? As you can see, Cash is long overdue. Okay, let's get some grinding done, buddy. First I'll clip them, then I'll grind them. I won't take very much off. Hey, buddy? Yeah, man. Okay, let's go. Okay, we got the clippers. Open that up. So you can't go too deep because of that safety thing. Okay, let's do one. Let's go see Cash. Come here. Hold on. Let's reposition. Yeah, there's no way you can go too deep. All right. Just sounds a bit scary, but it's nothing. Hey, Cash. Hey, buddy. Yeah. You like that, eh, bud? You can go a bit deeper on that. I don't want to go too deep. Well, I've got the one paw all clipped up. Now we're just going to grind them. I'm going to use this side of it. Where are we? Where are we? Lost my dog now. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, making all it won't be so sharp now, eh, buddy? Oh, just like that, smooth. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah. Should turn the light on maybe, eh? So Dad can see. Where are we? Oh, just missing this one here. Where is it? There it is. Yeah. Let's see those. Look at that. Smooth. Maybe we'll go a little more. Good boy. The kisses? Yeah? Oh, yuck. That's a big kiss. Hey, buddy? Yeah? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Alright, we'll do the same to the other side, but that was my first time. The one next side will be even quicker. Hey, buddy? He's a good boy. Yeah. So I got them all clipped up. Now we're going to grind them down. I grinded down the first one. Yeah, man. Well, that's pretty good, eh, Cash? You didn't mind that too much. Good job. Let's have a peek. Oh yeah, look how nice and smooth. I can probably smooth them out a bit better, but they're pretty smooth. They're very smooth, actually. My first time. Back ones. Yeah, buddy. Easy to use. Nobody got hurt. All right, now to clean it up a little bit. Got the brush. Let it clean. Clean the outside here. Take the top off. Something like that. Very cool. Yeah, I highly recommend this thing. Like, it pretty much saved us 50 bucks. At the groomer, it's about 50 bucks to get the nails done. Anyway, right now you can get 31% off. So this thing will cost you guys $19.95. I'll leave the link down below. And yeah, man, I recommend this thing. Big time. Cash? Yeah, you're gonna take a nap? Right on, people. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.